Coinbase has received a Wells notice from the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, alleging that the company's staking products constitute unregistered securities. The notice also mentions aspects of Coinbase's exchange and Coinbase wallet. However, a source familiar with the matter stated that Coinbase is confident it can defend its position in court and has been having conversations with the SEC about regulatory and policy matters for months. Meetings with the regulator started shortly after the company filed a petition with the SEC in July, asking that the SEC begin a public rulemaking process to clarify which digital assets it considers to be securities. Coinbase submitted a letter to the SEC specifically calling for rulemaking clarity regarding staking. In the letter, Coinbase's chief legal officer, Paul Grewal, expressed surprise at Kraken's announcement that it had reached a $30 million settlement with the SEC over its staking business, as the SEC had not previously made its position known despite ample opportunity to engage with the crypto industry and its participants. On Wednesday, the SEC gave notice to Coinbase that it would be pursuing enforcement action against the company. In a blog post on March 22nd, Grewal wrote that the Wells notice does not provide a lot of information for us to respond to. The SEC staff told us they have identified potential violations of securities law, but little more. The blog post is entitled, "We asked the SEC for reasonable crypto rules for Americans. We got legal threats instead." Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong also pointed out in a Twitter thread on Wednesday that the SEC allowed Coinbase to go public on NASDAQ in 2021, even after its S-1 form included 57 references to staking. Earlier, on March 22nd, Coinbase had notified users that it would suspend Algorand staking rewards on March 29th. The SEC's notice to Coinbase comes on the same day that the SEC filed a lawsuit against Tron founder Justin Sun and a handful of celebrities, including Jake Paul and Lindsay Lohan, for violations related to Tron. The SEC takes issue with the promotion and sale of Tronex, or TRX, and BitTorrent, BTT tokens, which it described in a press release as unregistered crypto asset securities. So, will the SEC press forward and initiate an enforcement action against Coinbase? Stay tuned. Cheers.